What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing restaurant hopping. It's like bar hopping but restaurant. We have our bag here ready with utensils, napkins, everything we might need. Everything's going to be recorded on the Insta360 camera. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you very much. First stop is going to be Taco Bell.
Hi, what can I get started for you?
Hi, can I please get one chalupa and one taco with fire sauce please?
Yeah. Is your screen correct?
Yes.
737.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Taco Bell, taco, chalupa. Now we're on to the next one, Carl's Jr.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, can I please have the 2 for $5 chicken burger and cheeseburger?
Okay, so cheeseburger and spicy chicken?
Yes, please.
Anything else I can do for you?
That's it.
You turn on the second window, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Welcome.
So, thank you. We have the Carl's Jr. We got the 2 for $5, so I got a cheeseburger. My wife got a spicy chicken sandwich. It's a little sad, actually.
Yeah, yours looks sad. Mine looks good. This is my favorite one.
Sad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
If you're gonna get the 2 for $5 deal, get 2 of the spicy chickens. Cheeseburger is a joke. Now we're gonna go off to Jim Boy's Tacos.
How can I help for you?
Hi, can I please get 2 regular tacos?
Okay. Okay, so it's 42. Thank you.
Thank you.
Here you go. Have a good day. Thank you.
We got Jim Boy's Tacos. 1 regular taco for my wife. 1 regular taco for myself. They look good. Now we're going to go to Wiener Schnitzel.
Thank you for choosing me to what can I get started for you?
Hi, can I please get 1 plain soft serve and 1 chocolate dip?
1 plain vanilla and 1 chocolate dip?
Yes, please.
716.
Thank you.
Hello, 716. Chocolate dip?
Thank you. Good. We got our soft serve cones.
That's my favorite.
Pretty good, pretty good. We're gonna go walk for about a mile and then we're gonna continue the adventures. Says here that 1.87 miles in 42 minutes. Now we're gonna continue the adventures. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
What's your favorite thing from each restaurant we've been to or we haven't been to?
The next spot we have here is XX Tacos, or
Tacos.
we don't know how to say the name. We only got 2, 1 for each. I got asada, my wife got al pastor. This is how they look. My issue with most of these restaurants is that the carne asada is not carne asada. It's usually boiled meat and then just like give a little pass on the grill. Let's see how it's tasting. For $3 each taco, I would say there's probably better places around. It's alright. I would come here again, but I think I would prefer some other spots instead of this one. Right now we're at Crazy Antojitos, ice cream and snacks.
Unos tostilocos con los fritos y luego una mangoneada large.
I got a mangoneada, basically mango ice cream with mango pieces and chamoy around, and my wife got some
Dorilocos. Then I got Fritos instead of the other chips.
Doritos. But these are special Fritos.
Yeah, these are special Fritos. Cucumber, mango, tajin, a bunch of stuff.
All pure goodness. Pretty good. One more dessert at Mochi Nut. We're gonna get the dessert and pretty much take it home and eat it later tonight. That'll be the last food we eat. We usually don't eat like this during the week. We actually eat at home, pretty healthy and on the budget.
Tenemos dos.
Alright YouTube, here we got our boba. Fortunately they ran out of boba, so we just have tea
With some
brown
random.
sugar and random toppings.
And then we got these.
We got some mochi nuts. We have the lemon, the raspberry, cotton candy flavor. They look pretty colorful. Hopefully it tastes good as well. We're gonna go back home, do some chores, work out, eat these tonight. Peace.
Peace.